Do you know there is a fish that hunts by spitting? Meet archerfish. As the name suggests, archerfish employs a fascinating and precise hunting technique that involves spitting jets of water at their prey. When a suitable prey item, such as an insect or spider, is spotted above the water's surface, the archerfish aims by adjusting its position and aligning its body with the target. With astonishing accuracy, the archerfish adjusts the angle and force of its water jet to compensate for factors like distance and refraction, effectively targeting the prey. Upon impact, the water jet creates a disturbance that knocks the prey into the water, where the waiting archerfish swiftly captures its meal. This hunting technique allows them to successfully capture prey from above the water's surface using a skillful combination of anatomy and strategy. Until next time, stay curious and stay subscribed.